So, hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
I'm Stephanie and
I'm Idol for my channel, and Mom is going. My mom, I give a hug. I love Mom.
You love me? I love you too.
Wait, what is it?
So today's video is gonna be a challenge. So it's gonna be the Hrush, not 5 minutes please, 15 minutes makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna try to follow her into this makeup, but I know it's not gonna happen because she in 15 minutes she put falsie on, like, wow, she's a queen. Before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also don't forget to follow me on my social media.
Mom,
And
I can go for this.
yeah, and if you want a new video with my little girl, just leave me that down below, like what we can do. Leave me some idea to do with her.
Yeah, this is Mom thing. Me too, I got this.
A mirror?
Yeah. Your turn, Mom.
Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into this. On my cell phone, I'm gonna put her video and just try to follow her. So it's gonna be a hard one because, like, I just rewatched her video and she's going so fast. So yeah. So I'm not gonna talk a lot into this because it's gonna be hard.
Your turn, Mom.
Oh no, my foundation doesn't want to pump.
What?
Okay.
What is that?
So I just put my CoverGirl foundation because she put some moisturizing foundation. So her foundation is the La Mer one, but I'm way too poor to buy this one.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I have the drugstore version, and also she doesn't do her
This is the pencil.
her eyebrows because I think they are microbladed hers. So I'm gonna try to do them at the end if I had some few time.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, she's going fast.
Going fast.
Oh, Mom is going not so fast. Okay. So she used some concealer. I'm gonna use my Tarte one.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna
Go so fast. Go so fast, Mom. Go fast.
Oh man.
Stronger on one side and lighter on the other side. I have melasma on the side that I dragged it down. I'm just covering it up. And usually I don't like to use the applicator, but this is my personal product, so it's fine if I do it.
Okay. What she use? Does she use a beauty blender? Okay.
This is why I like using this concealer again for the dry spots. So you gotta get to work.
Because we want to do this fast. It's a fast makeup we need to do.
Forgot the fast makeup.
Because sometimes we don't have a lot of time to do makeup, so we need a fast one. It's like a run.
Oh,
Yeah,
This-
like this, yeah.
Me too. I changed somewhere.
It's like a little bit of reverse contour. And I'm just going to
Do gentle with your face.
Yeah. I finished.
Oh, already?
Yeah.
fast. And it's gonna play games. And I look really gorgeous when I'm in a rush. This is probably the ugliest tutorial of my facial expression.
What she use? Oh my gosh.
And she put some under her
This is how I
It's shiny. So shiny.
Right there.
Yeah.
Oh man, I just put concealer into my...
I get it in my gloss. My gloss.
Okay.
She's back.
I'm gonna go in with that honey, just because I like the color.
Oh, mom is already...
This goes against my own rules, but I blended in fast. It's because it already has a dry
My
backdrop. It's fine. We'll hold it. Urban Decay will hold the creamy concealer from those. I know what it is about this color. I really like it. I feel like it's very youthful, and it makes my eyes pop.
A minute. You still want me to timer? Already.
So then I'm just going to drag out that concealer
Okay.
on the bridge of my nose. I'm just trying to make it look more seamless. And then I'm going to blend that out.
See what's A.
And I'm going to go in with this large brush and go over it. And to make sure the creases aren't there. So I crowd. And we are putting in Hrush's mix.
My nose doesn't look that good.
Yes, I know what Hrush's mix is.
Fast, Mom. Go fast. Fast.
Okay. Oh no. Whoop, I...
It's too hard my video. Mine is go so fast. Mine.
And she used a big brush. Just...
Look, what's your phone?
Oh, my phone is so dirty.
Yeah, so dirty. Okay, what's the use? Pencil?
What'd she do? Oh, she put some on her eyelids.
So we're just going to double set that with the brush. So when I do bronzer with an animal, there's no...
Okay. Put that right there. Okay, now she contours, so I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shade Lights palette.
This is a really pretty color between the plain sides. So basically the same application I used for the contour video, I do it with powder. I'm going to go ahead and pretend like I'm wearing eyeshadow with powders. You know, I only have a couple products in front of me when I'm doing this look, because then you get confused and you can't do it. That's the only products that I need.
I'm so fast. Mom, I'm going too fast to you, Mom.
Oh, you're going more fast than me.
Very light,
Yeah.
not too heavy.
Faster, really fast. Go fast. Go fast. I go so fast.
Jacob shadow. Now, colors.
I go so fast. So fast.
Shine.
Sure.
Oh, she using?
Corner.
Man.
Now this one.
I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills.
I use my very favorite long.
Keep it toe. And underneath the lip. What a really good one. So this is relative to
So she put a little bit more.
And we are going in with this low brush.
And I'm gonna use my champagne pot palette, but I'm gonna use Rose Spritz to put. Oh man! Where's my mascara? Right there.
See how fast I am with the shit? You guys can be this fast too. I'm telling you, it's all about the layout. I knew that before I was gonna do. I'm grabbing these lashes, little did I know they were thin. We're gonna glue them. Okay, now we're grabbing some bronzer just to add some warmth and color to the face.
I put glue everywhere on my lash. God damn
And then
it.
go out and get some blush.
Look to you. Look to you.
Backdrop.
Yeah, I know.
Rubbing and looking for the next.
Okay.
Probably at the same time. So let's grab it.
I'm gonna use my.
You can do this. You can do this. So I like to place it in the center. And if you don't use those edge lashes when you're on the go, or you don't even need to put on lashes to be honest when you're doing this, if this is your everyday go-to look. So this eye wanted to play all the games with me on the playground. And just wouldn't stick on. I think the glue would attack.
Lash.
Oh god. Fast. That's so real.
A bit over here. And then we're going to apply the lip liner just because it's
my shiny.
Yep. Fix that
My
lash
shiny.
that's dangling. That's really cute. Now the glue is dry, so she won't leak it. I like to lift up with the tweezer just to make sure it dries that way. And we have some Tarte spray.
So cool.
Take those kitsch things off your head. Clips. Fix the hair. Fix the brows. There you go. Can you do that?
I failed so bad.
Fail. For what? Oh man. Me, I not fail. I go so fast. For what you fail? For what?
Because I'm not finished in the same time as her.
Yeah, I not fail.
Just gonna curl a little bit those lashes because they are super straight and it's Not beautiful. I don't know if I like them or not. It's my first time trying it and I'm not sure, so I'm gonna continue more faster than I can't. So it just need more lipstick. So I'm just gonna put my Maybelline Nude Lost lipstick. Some setting spray. And I'm done. Maybe it was not as fast as her, but it was under 15 minutes. Like, I'm impressed in myself that in 15 minutes I put falsie on, but my brows are not done, so I'm gonna do my brow. The only thing that I doesn't like, sorry for my little girl, is some concealer under my skin because I'm pretty white, so my concealer just pure white, so it just looks a lot white. I think she does it at the end of the video. She takes like a lot of bronzer and just put this like almost all around her skin. What do you think? I think it looks like a tiny bit better. So this routine was so fast, but right now my makeup desk look like a mess, a tragedy. So I hope you like this video. Sorry if my little girl was loud, but she put some makeup on. Would you look at the camera? So look at this.
Hello.
So also I'm super impressed in how the foundation and everything look, because if you watch my videos since back then, you know I always put foundation on with makeup sponge, but today she put a foundation with a brush and the application looks so beautiful, even if my skin is pretty much dry. And she didn't put a primer too, so, and I put also a lot of powder. I never go into my Maybelline powder and just rub this all over my face, and it doesn't look powdery at all, even under my eyes. So yeah, I'm happy with the results. So I'm gonna do this when I'm in a rush because it looks good, and if I had more time I would put like a red lipstick or something like this to like jazz it up a little bit, my makeup. So that's it guys for this video. I know it was a little bit like a mess, so I don't have anything else to say beside I love you guys and I will see you soon. Bye.